Hi mga besh! Finally, isi-share na namin kung paano namin na-achieve ang aming Winter Wonderland New Year 2025 holiday sa South Korea at kung ano yung mga prepare at ginawa namin pagkarating sa airport. Originally, nakabook talaga kami ng 3rd week of January. Pero ito na nga, nagkaroon ng scheduled change of flight ni Sedpak ng more than 1 hour. As compensation, binigyan nila kami ng option na free rebook 30 days before or after our original date. So syempre, chinek namin agad ang holiday dates. And guess what? Holiday flights during New Year were already 30,000 per person. Wala pang check-in baggage at safe flexi. Almost 20,000 per person ang difference kaya sobrang sulit na. Perfect chance para ma-experience ang New Year sa Korea. Ang medyo downside lang talaga, mahal mag-winter pag first timer ka. From thermal wears, fleece, or long sleeves layer, puff jackets, gloves, hanggang socks, and other accessories, medyo mabigat sa bulsa. Medyo napagastos talaga kami sa winter outfits, pero worth it naman for comfort and survival sa lamig. Nag-book kami ng hotel near Myeongdong and Lotte Tower. We booked Maewan Hotel via Agoda for 16,590 pesos and 96 cents for 3 nights. We chose this hotel dahil nasa Myeongdong Street siya mismo, perfect for shopping and food street galore. Next is Paros Hotel for only 18,368 pesos and 49 cents for 3 nights. Malapit ito sa Lotte Tower, perfect ito for New Year countdown. Super sulit na yung dalawa for the location and ang maganda, 2-star hotel and 3-star hotel pa. May room tour kami sa travel vlog namin, check nyo na lang. For our eSIM, we booked via Klook for only 490 pesos and 30 cents, unlimited data na siya for 6 days. Paalala lang, for the e-travel, nag-filled out kami 72 hours before our flight. For the online check-in and e-arrival card ng South Korea, available siya 2 days before your flight. So if 27 ang flight nyo, you can fill out ng 25. Pagdating namin sa airport, nagbayad kami ng travel tax, 1,620 pesos per adult, 810 pesos naman para sa toddler. Inactivate na namin yung eSIM namin sa NAIA. Then pagdating sa South Korea, tinurn-on na namin yung SIM. Pagdating namin sa Incheon Airport, diretso muna kami sa restroom para isuot ang thermal wears or heat tech, then yung puff jacket namin, isusot na lang namin bago lumabas ng airport. For the thermal wears, we will use the Ultra Warm from Uniqlo and Decathlon. For our toddler, Ultra Warm ng Uniqlo and Shein since wala kami makitang size niya sa Decathlon. After claiming our baggage, bumili kami ng airport bus ticket sa machine. Since umaga kami nakarating, we will try the airport limousine bus. Makikita nyo agad ito paglabas pa ng after claiming the luggage. For buying the bus ticket, madali lang naman, susundan nyo lang at may English language naman. We chose bus 6001 or 6015 since Myeongdong ang hotel namin. Bus fare is only 34,000 won or 1,411 pesos and 23 cents for 2 adults na, or 17,000 won or 705 pesos and 12 cents per person. Toddler is free as long as nakakalong. Nag-withdraw rin kami sa KB Bank located sa arrival. We use our GCash card at the conversion is 0.0416 won, equivalent to 1 peso including charges na ito. Not bad at mura naman. So ayun, yun yung mga kailangan natin before and during the arrival natin sa South Korea. Sana makatulong itong guide sa mga nagbabalak mag-winter trip sa Korea. See you on Seoul mga besh! Bye!